Find the volume of a rectangular box with following. Length, width, and height. Length is 5x, breadth is 3x square, and height is 7x to the power 4. Solution would be volume of cuboid is equal to L into B to H, which is equal to 5x into 3x square into 7x to the power 4. First we'll multiply the constants. It's 5 into 3 into 7 with x into x square into x to the power 4. X will be multiplied separately. So it becomes 105, 5 into 3, 7 is 105, and it becomes x to the power 7. Since powers will be added, 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 105 x to the power 7. It is the answer. There is another problem of division. We have to divide 16 a square b square plus 10ab minus 20a by 2a. Solution is every term must be divided by 2a. Separately we write this 16a square b square divided by 2a plus 10a divided by 2a minus 20a divided by 2a. So it will be equal to 8ab square plus 5b minus 10. It will be cancelled with this 2 1 2 itself. A with a, and it will become 5b. This will become minus 10. This is the answer.